Hi, welcome guys. My name is Shay from DreamHomeBasedWork.com. I want to welcome everyone into my live video tutorial today. Today I'm going to talk about a company called Slice the Pie. This is a website that allows you to go on and earn money by reviewing music, commercials, music videos, logo designs, and more. Now, years ago, when I did a tutorial, you were only able to review music tracks from upcoming artists, but now, the site has changed. The look of the site has changed, and I want to show you how to navigate through this site. This is one of the many ways that I have personally been able to make some extra cash in my side time when I'm not blogging. So, of course, to get started, you will simply press the sign up button here if you haven't created an account. If you have, you will simply log in here in the right hand corner. First, I must say that in order to get paid with this website, you must have a valid PayPal account. Also, the email that you use to sign up with your PayPal account must match the email address that you are using on this Slice the Pie website in order for you to receive your payment. So that is very important before you even get started on this website. So once you log in, you will be asked, what would you like to review? You basically have a couple of different categories here. Like I mentioned before, music videos, commercials, logos, and then a random selection of other things. Now I'm just going to simply select the commercials option here, and it will pop up a commercial. You can press that play button and go ahead and play that commercial, and then at the end you are asked to pretty much put your rating of how you liked that commercial. So once you have reviewed that video, you will simply need to fill out this information here. You just want to tell them a little bit about what you thought about that commercial, as well as give the commercial a rating between 0 and 10. And then they'll have a few other questions that you will need to answer, and then you will select submit. So I am just going to write a little bit of a review here. Once you start filling out your information here, you want to make sure that once you start typing in, that this orange line fills all the way to the end as well, because it will not allow you to submit your review. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the submit button here. And it says, thank you, your review of SWAT Professionals was successful. Now, right now, I have earned a total of, $237.25. Now, I will say that that amount has been there for about 4 or 5 months now. So it doesn't accumulate very fast. This site, like I said, you just seen there that I was only credited 11 cents. So it will take you to do quite a few video reviews and commercial reviews, logo design reviews to accumulate that type of money. But it is definitely a legitimate site. They send payments out weekly via PayPal. Sometimes it is possible to get paid twice a week. I would also advise you to explore some of the links here: the privacy policy, the frequently asked questions, terms and conditions, and then you can also reach out to them and contact them with any questions. Yes, Slice the Pie is definitely a credible site to use. Someone may be wondering, is it really worth the time? Now, it definitely won't replace a job, but it is a great way to earn some extra money, especially if you have limited skills and you do not want something that is held to a 9 to 5 schedule. You don't want something, you want something that you can log in and out at any time to make money online. If you have experience using this website, I would love to hear your comments, your feedback, how you enjoyed the site, anything that will be helpful for those that are just testing out and just trying the website. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And as always, If you are looking for any other work from home opportunities and extra ways to make money online, make sure you check out my official site, dreamhomebasedwork.com. I have a free newsletter that you guys can subscribe to that alerts you with the latest job leads, side earners, video tutorials, and so much more. And then you'll also get instant access to my free resource library. So you can click here to sign up so you don't miss out on anything that's new. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care.